A transformative workshop for student placements. Are your students struggling to secure jobs despite quality education and campus recruitment trainings? Do they find it difficult to introduce themselves properly in interviews? When asked, what job are you suitable for or aiming for? Many have no answer, or their answers are not impressive. This is due to a lack of career direction and preparation for effective interviews. Introducing a transformative 3-hour workshop designed by Arya Akash, who brings 25 years of industry and training experience. This 3-hour workshop focuses on career counseling, career research, career planning, and career goal setting, empowering students to achieve their career aspirations. By the end of this workshop, students set their clear career goals, and your institution gains valuable data on students' career interests, allowing you to plan tailored industry-relevant training, far beyond conventional campus recruitment trainings. This is a unique workshop that no campus recruitment training vendor is offering. Let's unlock the potential to elevate institutional achievement and boost student placements together. For more details and collaboration, contact us on WhatsApp at 7680862904.